What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. Today we're going to be making a 2023 vision board. As you can see, I'm already on Canva looking up some desktop templates. I'm gonna just start with a blank one. Even though Canva does offer plenty of templates for you to use, I just like a blank one, having that total creative control over the canvas. Okay, now that I've sourced those images from social media, I uploaded them all to Canva and started dragging them around and just kind of playing with the layout to get an idea of where I wanted the images, also just kind of playing with the sizing of the images. So for 2023, I really want to get back into the gym more regularly. I was doing pretty good this year, but I'm going to be completely honest, after my birthday in September, I definitely slowed down with my frequency in the gym. So I want to get back to that. Also, I have the Grubhub pass now, so I definitely have been ordering out to eat more than I'd like to. So I also added an image of just someone cooking like some healthier foods like vegetables and just cooking at home more in general instead of always ordering out, because not only is it not always the healthiest option, it's not always the greatest option financially, because those $20 here, $15 here, they add up, especially when you're doing it multiple times in a week. So definitely want to cut back on that. I want to, and along with that, want to get back in the grocery store, just shopping for more colorful foods, vegetables, fruits, all those lovely things. And of course, once I start doing that, my other goal is just taking care of my hair. So of course, when you're taking care of your hair, it's not only what you're putting on your hair, it's what you're putting in your body. So a lot of my goals kind of coincide. Like once you start going out in the gym, start eating healthier, and then your skin flourishes, your hair flourishes. So since I've cut my locks, my hair has already grown a lot, and I just really want to continue that growth over the next year. Next, in terms of my career goals, just my goals as a creative, I added some milestones that I want to hit. There's some pretty big goals. I know it can be done. I just really have to buckle down and just get better at my consistency. So right now on my vision board, I have the goals of 10,000 subscribers and followers across YouTube and Instagram. Super huge goal for me, but I just really want to push myself to be more consistent, because there's no telling what I can do whenever I can just, set myself, straight with like a goal with my uploads and how often I post on my social media platforms. Along with that, I added some photos of some models, because I did recently start my career as a model, and I just have some goals. I really want to start practicing my walk and hopefully get the opportunity in 2023 to possibly work in some runways. And I'm really interested in getting into print modeling, so I have a nice print beauty shot in there as well. So just wanting to explore my options in modeling, a new venture for me. And then I just have a couple inspirational quotes, a couple saying, God will provide. I say that all the time, especially when it comes to money. When you're kind of struggling or you don't know what to do, you just think that, how have you been able to make it this far? You've always somehow made it. So whenever I feel like, hopeless or not sure what to do, just remember, you made it this far, God will provide. Another quote, I am creating the life of my dreams. These are all goals that I have had for years and I've been too nervous or didn't have the confidence to do. So now it's time for me to really stop being so scary and tackle those. Also, one saying, I belong. My gifts are needed in the world. There's space for my talent. There's space for me. Oftentimes, I feel like, what am I doing that makes me so different from everybody else? But I just have to remember to not be discouraged and that there is space for me. Then, of course, a classic, I don't chase, I attract. What belongs to me will simply find me. So I've stopped And I want to continue not putting so much pressure on myself and just knowing that things will always work out for the better and things will always come to fruition. And that's pretty much it. And you may be wondering, why is there a picture of Beyonce on your vision board? I love me some Beyonce. And my goal for 2023, I need to be at a Beyonce concert on that Renaissance tour. So Queen B, I'm coming. I am in the Beehive. So she's on the vision board, of course, because I need a ticket. And I can't wait for her to drop those visuals and to drop those tour tickets. I'm saving my coins. I need to see Beyonce.
All right, and this is the finished product. What do you guys think? Hope you all enjoyed the video. Definitely leave some of your 2023 goals down below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as always, I will definitely see you in the next one. Peace.